Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot 143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. How to use hyphenation in MS Word 2007 documents. Suppose we are typing the text in a document and when it reaches the edge of the line, Word automatically places that word into next line which is not fitting in that line. Thereby we will get uneven space, text alignment, so we will not get the professional look. Instead of this, if we use hyphenation, it will break up the word with a hyphen and place the additional text in next line. Come to page layout tab. By default in Word, hyphenation is set to none, which prevents automatic hyphenation from occurring. If you want to set the words using hyphenation, select automatic from the list showing here. Then automatically Word broke up the word with a hyphen and place the additional text in next lines. And if you want to customize the hyphenation, again click on hyphenation and select hyphenation options. Since we have selected automatic hyphenation, automatically hyphenate document checkbox is enabled. If you don't want to hyphenate words in uppercase letters, leave the checkbox blank next to hyphenate words in caps and set a value in hyphenation zone by using up and down arrow keys. This indicates the distance in inches between the end of the last complete word in a specific line and the margin. If we use larger value, it decreases the number of hyphens. Similarly, if we use lower values, increases the number of hyphens but reduce the raggedness of the right margin. And if you don't want consecutive lines to have hyphens, again come to hyphen, select hyphenation options. Here we need to set a limit. In limit consecutive hyphens to. After this, if you want to hyphenate manually, first we need to remove automatic and bring this to default to none option. Again click on hyphenation, select manual, then it will show the words one by one which will need hyphen, and also we can set the hyphen positions in those words. Once all are completed, we will get the notification hyphenation is complete. Click OK. Like this, we can use hyphenation in Microsoft Office Word 2007 documents. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. ITbot 143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.